and other animals seeing what's coming through where I've been hunting last deer season. Nothing's come through yet but a squirrel and a few birds and blue jays. A gray squirrel just ran past me on the ground, but I'm sitting here just waiting for one to come through. But I can't shoot it, it's out of season. But let's see if there's a nice buck that comes through. I know there's one non-border that stays in this area, but I'm trying to be quiet as I can because I'm watching and one might pop up over the hill right down there as we speak, but I don't want to scare it because last muzzleloading I was sitting down here and I stood up to head home because it was late evening and it got after shooting light, and I stood up and one shot out from behind me. Thought I heard somebody, wasn't nothing, but most times they come up from over right through here. But let's see if we can get them from coming from over here, get them from coming down there and over back over on this. Well, somebody's hunting, and it's summertime, so we're not supposed to be hunting deer. Might be a bear hunter, but we're not supposed to be hunting bears. But I hope something comes through. If a deer comes through, I will put the video back up as